Hello, finally we are here. We're Underwood Family Farms. It's in Ventura County. It's Sunday today. It's a beautiful day, beautiful sunny day. We are going to explore this farm together. This is my first time. Let's see what it's all about. We were told it's about 10 minutes walk to the farm, and we can also take a tractor which will drop us off there, and we don't have to walk. We decided it's sunny, so we are going to take a tractor instead of walking. They provide all these carts. If we had to walk, we can take the carts with us and it's free of charge. But since we decided we are going to take the tractor, then we cannot take the cart with us. We have to carry the produce. We'll see how it goes. Tractor has arrived. We are going to get on this tractor and we are heading to the fields. It's my first time here today, but it seems like it's a lot of fun. I love nature and I love to pick fresh produce, and it is so much fun. I'm having fun so far. Tractor is not full. There is only one other family with us. They happen to be Armenians. They're very nice people, and it seems like they've been here many times and they always have fun. So they're back today picking produce for the week.
This is so much fun.
We arrived at the fields. He's going to drop us here. This is the stop. And we are going to get off here and start our adventure. Here at the station, they provide bags, plastic bags and plastic containers, and it has the prices for the food that we are going, for the produce actually, that we are going to pick. So from here we head to the field.
What's in here?
I'm here with my sister-in-law and with my niece. I'm staying behind so I can take pictures.
Those are broccoli farms.
My niece is trying to pick a broccoli. Let me tell you something. If you come here, you need to bring a garden scissor or a knife because it's so hard to cut it with hand. I'm trying my best here, but it's, as you can see, it's so hard. Bring a scissor with you.
How do you cut this?
Definitely next time I'm going to bring a garden scissor or a knife to make it easy to pick all this produce. It's so hard to cut it. As you can see, I'm having a hard time.
Those are kales. Going to pick some kales. Hi guys, we are at the Underwood Farm in Moore Park, and it's a beautiful place. It's very nice and sunny, and everybody is having fun, enjoying. They're coming here with their families and kids and picking their own vegetables and fruits. So we just got here and we picked some. I picked some broccoli. They provide the bags, they provide the containers, and you pick your own and you pay at the door. To get in, it's $5 per person, and I think it's well worth it. It's so much fun. As you can see, there are a lot of families around. Let me turn so you can see behind me. There are a lot of families, and they come with their kids and family. Oh, the sun is in my eyes. Sorry, I'm quenching. It is beautiful, breathtaking. Well, come and have fun. Underwood Farms in Moore Park.
I would like to take this opportunity to thank all my subscribers. Our numbers are growing, and I'm sure we're going to reach our goals pretty soon. Keep on subscribing, tell your friends, and please hit that like button if you like my videos. Thank you so much again, and let's have fun together. Here I am, I picked some produce and my hands are getting very heavy. You're right, you hear a lot of Armenian conversations in the background, and there are a lot of Armenians around here. They came with families and kids, and as you can see, they are having fun picking their produce. There I am again. I'm proud with my picks of the day, and my hands are getting heavy. Those are kale and some other stuff that I picked earlier.
Get some. My mom would love this. She loves radish. And those are the tomato fields. We're going to get some tomatoes here. Plum tomatoes. This is how much it will cost if we pick here. It's too ripe. I don't know if I should get some. Too ripe. But anyway, I'll get some. Yes. I picked some, even though it's too ripe. Oh, I'm going back. Hey, we're at tomato fields. It is so much fun, but it's sunny and the sun is burning. I didn't bring a hat. I should have. Next time I would know better. If you come here, wear very comfortable clothing and bring comfortable shoes. I have a comfortable shoes, but I should bring a hat if the sun is burning. Too hot. We're at the tomato fields. It's too ripe at this point, even though I picked some, but you have to use it immediately, otherwise it will go to waste. It is beautiful. We're meeting new people. a lot of families. So much fun. What I would suggest you to do if you come, take the tractor, go one around and see everywhere, and then decide how you want to approach it. We took the tractor, we came here, we didn't walk, but if you walk, you can bring the cart with you. If you come with a tractor, you cannot bring the cart. Therefore, it's heavy for you to carry everything. So if you don't want to carry, just walk that 10 minutes and bring the cart, so you can put everything in a cart. You don't have to carry heavy bags with you. So that's my suggestion. I met a group, they took the tractor first, they turned around, they saw everywhere, and then they decided that they have to go back and bring the cart so they don't have to carry. So we weren't that smart. I would suggest you do that and walk that 10 minutes and bring the cart with you. We're pretty much done for today. We're pretty exhausted already. So we're heading back. We want to go check the mandarin trees, and we'll call it a day for today. I'm sure I'm coming back again, and I will bring you more information about this place. This is called Underwood Farms. We are in Underwood Farms in Moore Park. I believe it's in Ventura County. I have to do more research about this, and I will give you more information as I post the video. I just want to show it to you one more time, how beautiful it is, and to say goodbye for today. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. This is a wonderful place to spend some time to pick your fresh produce, have fun, meet new people, and enjoy the day. Okay, we're back on the tractor now, and we're heading back. We had a very productive day today. We had a lot of produce now. We have to go pay for it, and I'm going to show you where we pay and what we do, and I will give you more information about that. See you in a little bit.
We're going to stop here at the mandarin orchards, and we are going to pick some mandarin. It's also called tangerine. I'm used to mandarins, and then we'll continue back to our car. Also, they have this farmers market out here, and you, instead of picking, you can just buy it at the market and pay at the cashier. We put everything in a cart here at the cashier. This is our cart. We picked a lot of stuff, and we are going to pay here and call it a day. We paid for our produce and we're all done for today. I had such a wonderful time today at Underwood Family Farms. Thanks for joining me. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. And please don't forget to hit that like button and also subscribe and share it with your friends. See you next time. Have a wonderful day, wonderful week, and wonderful life. Bye-bye.